Welcome Wolfpack, here we are. What the hell's going on? I'm at Heathrow Airport. That's what's going on. For those that followed me on the live Christmas Day, I basically was made homeless on Christmas Eve and had everything taken from me. Every single thing a man can say he has was taken from me on Christmas Eve. Spent Christmas Day on my own in a hotel. Spent a week in the hotel, spent 10 days locked in my own office, flushing toilets with buckets of water, right? Anyway, we ain't getting into that. Spent about a week with my dad, thank you Dad. Such an ace geezer, man, it's not even funny. I don't even need to go down here, I'm just going where there's not many people, which is not many places in Heathrow Airport, Terminal 4. So here's the plan, right? I'm homeless. Obviously, I don't have a full-time job. I've got single prepper, and that's about it. So it's you and me against the world. I don't have an income, so I can't rent a property. I don't have any money in the bank of any level. So, Danger Bob, thank you to you, and Ethan Galstead. I'll get more into that on another time, but basically, I've just got to survive as long as I can as a homeless person. But I just can't do it in England. It's like the burn rate here, the daily cost of survival in England is so epic, it's not even funny. And this is proper survival. I've got to survive as long as I can to get a business built, yeah? Get things rocking, get me sorted out, because I've got some serious mindset stuff to carry on doing on myself, right? More about that as well, because so I'm going where the burn rate is the best, and where I'm going, I can survive about 5 to 6 times longer than I can in the UK on the same minimum tiny budget, right? So I'm hoping to survive about 3 or 4 months, and then within that time, I can see what I can do to get everything figured out, right? This is going to be the journey of a lifetime. This is proper life and death survival in real life, right? This is no messing about. This isn't a holiday, right? This is a proper sabbatical journey where I've got no alternative but to leave the country. And I don't know what's going to happen with a relationship. I don't know if I don't know. All I know is I've got nowhere to live. And it's so expensive to live in England. I can't live here for more than a couple of weeks and that'll be it. I'll be done. And homeless on the streets. And the problem is, it's like, I need to be somewhere where I can get my mindset right. I need to be somewhere where there's a vibe, there's an energy, yeah? And just this time of year in the UK is already depressing enough as it is. Not just the Christmas thing, but the whole sad syndrome for me, you know, like the cloudy weather, the freezing cold. It's like the worst possible place to try and do any rebuilding from zero, right? Because we are way below zero right now. So follow this journey, because I'm going to be going zero to hero, right? Because I have no other choice, and you're going to be coming with me on this journey. I'm checking into a flight right now. Terminal 4 Heathrow should give you a clue. We're talking long haul. We're talking 25-hour journey to get to where I'm going. I got one stop in Shanghai, another clue. We are doing it because we've got no other option but to do it. This is it. This is do or die, right? And here we are. I've got about 10 minutes until I don't have to. I've got about 3 hours before my flight takes off, so I've got plenty of time. I need to check my bag in. This is basically my entire existence is one suitcase and a backpack. That's literally it. A suitcase and a backpack with my laptop in. And that's all I've got. That's all we've got. Yeah? Because the only other thing I've got is you. That's it. It's you and me. Lich. Right? So, literally don't be missing a peep, because this is going to be survival in real life. The time for prepping is gone. Right? This is Sigma sabbatical survival journey. Right? This is Sigma prepper on a sabbatical, rebuilding his life from zero in real life, live. So I've got to go and get this bag checked in. I've just weighed my bags as well. 23 kilos is my limit, but in part of my journey to another country, the limit's 20 kilos. I just weighed my suitcase, which is like 19.4 kilos, right? I mean, the flight I'm going on now to Shanghai is 23 kilos. And the carry-on baggage, my allowance is 8 kilos. And my bag is literally 6.95, right? But there's another flight in my itinerary where the carry-on is maximum 7. So it's going to be tight for luggage, but this is what you get when you have nothing but a suitcase and a backpack, right? And you've got to live forever with that. Literally, I don't know if I'm ever going to get any of my stuff ever again. This is it. What I'm wearing now and what is in my suitcase and my backpack is literally the entirety of my possessions on planet Earth. And I'm nearly 50. What's that about? Oh, sorry. What's that about? It's crazy, right? It's crazy. But we're doing it because we've got no choice. And sometimes in life you get dealt some lemons and you've got to make the best lemonade you can. Please stay with me on this journey. I'm going to need your support. I'm going to need your friendship. I'm going to need your help and advice. Who knows, right? But we're going to do it together, you and me. So please follow me, hit the like button, share this video, because I tell you what, this series, this Sigma sabbatical survival series is going to be so epic, it's not even funny. I'm going to be trying to do daily videos. It's going to be difficult because everything I've got going on, as you can imagine, but stay tuned, my absolute beauties. Love, peace and progress to the pack.
Reject the herd, prepare the pack. Click the like button, it's as easy as that. Check the description for the links you need. Follow my socials, subscribe to my feed. From a single lone woman to a family of 5. Learn from Sigma Prepper and see how you can thrive. We understand the risks that tomorrow could bring. We adapt and survive, it's a wolf pack thing. Reject the herd, prepare the pack. Click the like button, it's as easy as that. Check the description for the links you need. Follow my socials, subscribe to my feed.